In OpenBuildings Designer, you can use delivered drawing templates for various disciplines. In this video, you will learn how to make the best use of the available templates for the single line and double line mechanical drawings. Let's start with the single line drawing creation. From the Drawing Production tab, we get to the Place Plan tool, and this is where we can select the templates. We need to select the right drawing seed, mechanical plan, single line drawing. Then, after placing the callout in a view, we specify the settings in a Create Drawing dialog box, just like for other disciplines. We save the new drawing model, and here is our ready single line mechanical plan. For double line drawing creation, there is a similar workflow. In the Place Plan callout, as our drawing seed, we will select HVAC mechanical plan. And again, after placing a callout, we will continue with the settings in the dialog box, just like before. Let's create a drawing model and save it as a new file. As a result, we will see our double line mechanical plan with more details like insulation and lining visible.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.